Welcome to Wave Edu AI. I'm your host Rajesh Yogi. I'm working as a Chief Technology Officer at Wave Edu Application Artificial Intelligence team. From last few videos, we are discussing the technical side of the artificial intelligence. And in this video, we are going to discuss regarding the data, or I want to call it your data, and the privacy, your privacy, and what artificial intelligence sees and store in WaveEdu AI application. Our focus is on our commitment to minimum data collection and security. This is very important, particularly for the parents and the students. We are going to discuss or define the data types. We are going to also explain the Wave Education minimum collection policy and stress the data security and non-sharing agreements. So, what we have seen so far is how smart the artificial intelligence engine is. But the big question remains, which we are going to discuss today, is what data is it using and whose data is it? As the CTO or the Chief Technical Officer, this is my biggest responsibility. Our promise at WaveEdu AI is simple. Your child's privacy and data security are the foundation of everything we build. We need to separate two types of data. Let's discuss. First is the training data, and the second one is the child's data or your child's data. The training data is vast, based on books, web articles, data collected by Google, data supplied by our teachers, Wave Education team engineers, and the LLM, large language model. You can, if you want to know more about large language model, you can refer to one of our video. So, to train the large language model, we need tons of data. And that is the data we used even before we enrolled your child in our system. So that data we used for training our own large language model with the help of Google Gemini. And that data is anonymous and used to build the model itself. So your child's personal information is not there in that data. Now, your child's information which we collect in our app is only the email. We do not collect any type of chat, or we do not collect any type of phone or any gender or any other details, not even the photograph. This data which we store is very important to us and we secure it safely. This input data, like the first name, last name, email address, or let's say the grade which your child is studying, is what makes the artificial intelligence personalized the content. But it must be handled with utmost care. And that is what we guarantee, and that is what we do at WaveEdu AI. At WaveEdu AI, we practice data minimalism. We only store the basic profile data as I suggested. So, the username, password which we create in the app, or the grade, or the name, or the profile details, or the email address, everything is encrypted. No tracking. We even do not track your child's geographical location. We do not monitor their activity on their educational progress inside the app. And by the way, encryption is all over the profile data. Encryption is our security measurement, which we have developed and which we are implying on everyday basis. Every quarter we upgrade our security systems. This means it's scrambled into an unreadable code, making it useless to anyone if one should not have it. One more thing which we want to discuss, that is we do not sell or pass your child's personal data to any third parties or any product sellers or anyone else who can use it. When your child asks a question, that question input goes directly into the Gemini API or within our system, and no one knows what your child is doing except the artificial intelligence. We use the AI to power our educational service. We are not in the business of selling student data. That is our guarantee. Your child's learning journey is kept securely within the walls of WaveEdu technology. Data privacy is central to our mission. We believe in transparency and security, ensuring the artificial intelligence can help your child learn without compromising their personal information. In our next video, we broadened our view to look at the entire artificial intelligence landscape. That is, beyond the app, beyond the WaveEdu application, we are going to discuss some popular artificial intelligence tools and their different engines. And then we definitely want you to join us again in the next upcoming video. Meanwhile, subscribe this channel, download the WaveEdu AI application, start practicing 10,000 questions which are already available free for every student who is preparing for the NEET exam, for the IIT or the upcoming Year 12, Year 11 or Year 10 exams. I request the science students to use the app as much as they can and to score the maximum in the coming exam. Best of luck. Thank you.